Hey guys, Single Girl here again. If you didn't watch the last episode, watch it because I basically just gave information about playing the whole board because I'm not gonna re-explain anything in this video. By the way, the music for this board that I'm using is the Chance Time music because you're able to use in-game music for Party Planner 64. Also, if you can't hear me again, I'm very sorry because, again, I don't know, I can't fix the mic yet. I'll probably fix it soon. But now it's time to see Peach's roll. Oh yeah, I have a magic lamp. Yeah, it is the next day because I just didn't have time to finish it. I'm not gonna use it yet. I'm not gonna use it yet. Definitely is a 1v3. Oh yeah, also, the last episode, I completely forgot to mention this, but, flashing lights warning, as you've already seen. Yeah, sorry. Let's, crush Mario. Yes! That actually worked! Of course, this episode of the next episode are probably going to be the shortest, because there's no in-game stuff that's going to be happening. Man, I don't want to go last. What's he doing? Oh, he's going to lose 10 coins. He's in the same situation I was in, except he actually has the coin amount. I could use it. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. Because I'm evil. And I get to visit Blue right after this. And again, I can't roll in 0, so I'm guaranteed to visit Blue after this. There is a chance that I could spawn back up there. Oh! There's no reverse mushrooms, Yoshi. So, I mean, actually, I just realized, now that means that due to these 2 bank spaces, you basically have to have 30 coins for this star, unless you land on one of the bank spaces. Okay, who has the most coins? Mario, again! No, now he doesn't. Oh! Okay. This one... Oh, I think I forgot to tap through the instructions for the last one, my bad. This one is actually really good. Assuming that I get to time the first bit correctly. So assuming I get the M in the hat, this will be great. No. Yes. Okay. I should be fine now. Oh my days. No way. I did not just get the mouth as well. I rarely get more than 2 features.
I'm the best.
Mario doesn't even know his own face. Oh, Peach can afford the star. Looks like Peach is going to stay in second and very close to the amount of stars I have. Seriously? Okay. There's technically 2 stars bought in one time. Keyword here is bought. And now everybody has a star. Oh. No! Now let's see, is Mario gonna loop? Or is he gonna go for the... He's gonna loop! I'm just gonna visit this. I'm probably gonna have to... Yeah, okay, of course. Yep, not surprised. So, realistically, right, I stole 21 coins from Mario. So Mario's coins just went to Yoshi, basically. Yes, River Raiders. This is a good one because it's not like we're competing. We're just trying to get coins. Look, try to collect coins as they flow down the river. So, assuming I can get coins and Peach and Yoshi don't play disgustingly, and Mario doesn't pull us away, we should end up with a healthy amount of coins. As in at least 10, because this is a minigame actually. Yoshi, go let... Okay. Oh. 20 coins. 21 coins. Oh, no way! 26 coins from one minigame. And she's gonna steal from me, isn't she? No! I don't like this. Oh, I'm so bad at matching. Mario's landing on the bank if he goes, yes, he's not smart. Okay, okay. Again, useless. Oh. This, okay, okay, you know what? I won the last time we did this. Yeah, I won the last time we did this, so. Go! Look at that frame drop. Okay, got both Mario and Yoshi. I got Peach with normal waves?
I'm the best.
That's 2-0. 2-0 for that minigame. Okay, now people are starting to get coins. If the sound's late now, I can't tell. Okay, this is the last time we're going to be doing. So let's see, what would I need exactly? So I need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would need a 6 or more because I have 10. I definitely have 10 coins there. So I need a 6 or more to get the star. A 7. Oh yes, one above 6. There's 40 coins in the bank. It's the same amount of coins I have right now. And now I have half of that.
I got it.
Okay, that was all luck. That was all luck. It was all luck right there. Oh. Well, Peach is just gonna stay on my tail, isn't she? Hold the ball again. And but see, last time it was Yoshi as the one. This time it's Peach as the one. But Mario, he didn't. Mario was in the middle and he just went up and didn't stop. So I kind of hope he does that again. In fact, I really hope he does that again. But this time it's me, Luigi. Let's go.
I'm the best.
Oh, the frame drop. It has dropped significantly. Okay, well, that was a very short episode. Oh, again, the exact, I don't know the exact time frame, but that was a very short episode. I know, I'm aware of this, and the next episode is probably going to be the same as well. But that's due to, like, the lack of exposition and, the lack of alternate things that happen. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this 5 turns. We are now down to the last 5 turns, and Peach is most certainly going to buy this star now. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. See ya.